Hello everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about TNPSC Assistant Professor Syllabus and Exam Pattern. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And don't skip, watch the video till the end. And before going to the exam pattern, let's see the overview of this examination. The organization that is conducting this exam is Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission (TNPSC) for the post Assistant Professor, and the job location is Tamil Nadu. And if you have any queries, you can go through this official website tnpsc.government.in. Let's see the exam pattern. There will be two papers in the question paper, and the paper 1 is subject paper, which is psychology, and it is of PG degree standard, and there will be 200 questions and the maximum marks is 300, and the time duration for paper 1 is 3 hours. And in paper 2 there will be two parts, part A and part B. Paper 2 total marks is 200 and part A is Tamil Nadu eligibility test, in which you will get 100 questions, and the minimum qualifying mark in this paper is 60 marks, and marks secured in part A of paper 2 will not be taken into the account for the ranking. And the time duration for this part A is 1.5 hours. And part B will consist of general studies and aptitude and mental ability test, and there will be general studies subject which is of degree standard and you will get 75 questions from that, and aptitude and mental ability test SSLC standard and you will get 25 questions, so total 100 questions, and the total marks is 150 and the time duration is 1.5 hours. And there will be interview and record session which is for 60 marks, so the total marks is 510. Here we can see the minimum qualifying marks. The minimum qualifying marks for selection for STs, MBCs, DCs, BC and BCMs is 153, and for all others is 204 marks. Let's see the syllabus. In paper 1, as I said above, there will be psychology subject which is of PG degree standard. Let's see the units in this psychology subject. Unit 1 developmental psychology, Unit 2 personality, Unit 3 biopsychology, Unit 4 cognitive psychology, Unit 5 advanced social psychology, Unit 6 health psychology, Unit 7 Psychopathology, Unit 8 Organizational Behavior and Human Resource Management, Unit 9 Counseling and Therapy, and Unit 10 Research Methodology. And here we can see the paper 2, and as I said above, part A will consist of Tamil eligibility test which is of SSLC standard. Let's see the part B subject. You will get questions on the subject general studies which is of degree standard. The units in general studies are general science, current events, geography of India, history and culture of India, Indian polity, Indian economy, Indian national movement, history, culture, heritage and socio-political movements in Tamil Nadu, development administration in Tamil Nadu, aptitude and mental ability. So this is the brief information of TNPSC Assistant Professor Syllabus and Exam Pattern. If you want to download this complete syllabus and exam pattern, we have provided the link in the description box. You can download the syllabus and exam pattern from that link. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.